Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt locally. Start by heating milk to 180 degrees F to kill stray bacteria, then cool to 110 degrees F for safe culture addition. Stir in about 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt per quart as your starter, pour into containers, and keep warm for 6 to 12 hours. Check for firmness and chill before serving. I'll share tips for texture, flavor, and simple flavoring ideas. Use simple tools and ingredients to keep this easy and repeatable. Whole milk gives creamier results, but you can use lower-fat milk if you prefer a lighter yogurt. A reliable thermometer ensures you reach 180 degrees F, then cool to 110 degrees F before adding the starter. Incubation options include a yogurt maker, slow cooker with warm water, or an oven with the light on. I'll explain timing and how to adjust for tang and thickness. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more hands-on food videos. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great during farm runs or grocery trips, and it pairs humorously with the fresh yogurt vibe. I put the link and other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Now let's get back to the video. You can customize yogurt easily while keeping the process simple. For Greek-style yogurt, strain through cheesecloth for 1 to 3 hours until you reach the desired thickness. Add sweeteners, fruit, or honey only after the yogurt has chilled so you don't affect live cultures. Save 2 tablespoons from each batch as the starter for your next batch to keep things economical and reduce waste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.